Hi everyone, this is basically a sound check video, so it's like a get ready with me sound check video. I got the microphone set up. If you can see all this little junk right here, the directions, the old little piece that held my camera, all that good stuff is sitting over there. So I did a couple of videos just like talking to it, so hopefully this is good. I was turning out good, so I'm just gonna do like a get ready with me sound check, and I want feedback. Let me know if you can hear me and all that good stuff. We're going to use the no problem and put this on. I probably need to put regular because I was going to use the pure 4-in-1, but let's just go ahead and use, I haven't used this in a while, my L'Oreal Lumi. Did y'all see that Morphe was coming out with a new foundation, and I saw that Makeup Revolution was coming out with, or had come out with a foundation that I had no idea about. If y'all hear anything about those things and you want me to get them, let me know. So that I could stay on top of what you want to see. That's the whole point for me, is to try to stay with what y'all want to see. You see why I like this foundation? It is like a perfect match. If you have a hard time finding your foundation match, before I even went to Ulta and got matched with a foundation, I found the L'Oreal True Match thing, and they had these little slides, right? Like clear things that you put over on your wrist. And the one that you can, that looks like it matches the best. Basically, like if it turns orange, that's not your skin tone. If it turns whitish, that's not your skin tone. If it looks like it matches exactly and didn't change anything, that's your skin, your match. Before I got really into makeup and everything, the L'Oreal True Match ones were my favorite and still are. I even have the little one, I believe, unless I had to declutter it. Is that it back there? There's a lot of foundations in there, who knows? Alright, so we got this on. Okie dokie, there's that. And we are going to take, I thought I had a concealer out, I guess I didn't. You know what, let's take this e.l.f. one. Lord, this is new. I might be too white for this foundation. This is the e.l.f. little under eye sponge. Since it's just a simple little makeup look, I am literally going nowhere today that I know of. So I'm just going to kind of do a simple little for around the house thing. Basically, like I said, this is like a sound check video because I know my videos have been sounding off lately. So if I need to talk up, if I need to, I got a microphone literally attached to the top. It's connected to the thing that holds my phone, and it's got a connector that goes into my phone. There we go. Let's just grab, we'll just grab this Cover FX and do a little bit of bronzer and a little bit of blush. You know, so I could look good for Eric. Because I'll probably have a shower before Jason gets home. If I really like my makeup looks or how I feel that day, I send Jason a picture because the chances of me having it on by the time he gets home are very slim. Does anyone else put sun blush on that's a little more pink than they're used to and feel like they have a sunburn on their cheek? And y'all get to see how fast my normal makeup routine gets to be if I'm really not sitting in front of the camera or going somewhere special. Things have changed for our family this week. Since Monday, it looks like we will be having my brother's son's sister living with my mom. Private story, can't share. Ethnically, she's not the same, which is fine. She's still the cutest little 7-year-old you'll ever see, in my opinion. Well, I don't know. She's the same age as my sister. She's very pretty. Very cute. I'm doing research on hair because I don't want to mess it up. And my mom's going to need help. So I'm doing the research on hair. So if you know anything about that, please, what products are best, how often to wash her hair, anything would be appreciated. I did reach out to Cantu to ask those questions and all that good stuff, and told them I know where to go to buy the products. I'm not asking for free products. I'm literally just wanting to know what they suggest. I figured they're a company and everybody takes things so wrong in a way when you ask questions, so I didn't want to offend anybody, so I just asked them. It is a CPS thing. Not with my brother. His son is 15 years old and he's never met him. This is totally different. So this is the Anastasia Brow Gel. I like the clear ones, but I also like the colored ones. And let me know if that music is too loud with this when he comes in, because he's coming back. Okay, give me your cup. This is my life. Turn it down. Okay. I don't think I need any. You know what? Let's just put a little bit of eyeshadow on. No, actually, I'll show you something. Here, Eric. You could take this bronzer palette, because I'm not, like I said, I'm not going anywhere today. So I'm going to take like this little smudger brush by e.l.f. and I'm going to go into that contour shade. Just enough to give the eyes a little dimension. It doesn't change much, but it does give it a little dimension. And then you could put mascara on if you want, but like I said, this was just a sound check type thing. Love y'all. Talk to you soon.